Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Analytics to understand who is visiting your website and also what they are doing. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're a blogger or a business owner or a digital marketer, this tool will help you track your site performance and also make smarter decisions. So first, you have to head over to analytics.google.com. Then you have to sign in with your Google account. If you haven't set up an account yet, you will be guided to create a new property by entering your website's name and also the details that are needed. Once you are in, you will land on the dashboard. And here you're going to see an overview of your site traffic. You can view real-time users, traffic sources, device types, and also more. Let's break down the key sections. Audience, it shows who your visitors are. Acquisition tells you where they come from. Behavior shows what they do on your site. And conversions helps you track goals and also actions. If you want to get more advanced, you can create custom dashboards. You can set up goals like purchases or sign-ups. Google Analytics updates your data in real time. So keep tracking in, learn from the numbers, and improve your content or campaigns accordingly. If you found this helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any questions concerning Google Analytics, please drop them in the comments. I'll respond to you. Otherwise, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.